At the back of the human eye lies the retina, a delicate layer packed with photoreceptor cells that transform light into electrical impulses the brain interprets as sight. When conditions like retinal degeneration destroy these cells, vision can fade or disappear entirely. Now, scientists from Yonsei University, the Institute for Basic Science, IBS, and other South Korean research institutions have created an advanced artificial retina that may help restore partial vision for people affected by such disorders. Detailed in Nature Electronics, the new implant takes a different approach from natural sight. Instead of relying on damaged photoreceptors, it captures near-infrared (NR) light and converts it into electrical signals that activate still-functioning retinal ganglion cells, the nerve cells responsible for carrying visual data to the brain. This breakthrough design combines two core technologies: a near-infrared sensitive phototransistor array and flexible liquid metal micropillar electrodes. The phototransistor array acts like a miniature sensor grid, detecting NR light and translating it into neural-friendly electrical impulses. The soft liquid metal electrodes then transmit those impulses directly to retinal ganglion cells with minimal tissue damage, thanks to their flexibility and close contact with retinal tissue. Researchers tested the device both on extracted retinal tissue and in blind mice. The results were encouraging. The implant showed strong biocompatibility, caused no major damage, and enabled blind mice to respond to both visible and infrared light. Brain recordings and behavioral tests suggested the animals regained a measurable degree of light perception. While human trials are still a future goal, this innovation could represent far more than a treatment for blindness. Because the system introduces infrared sensitivity, something natural human vision does not possess, it may one day provide patients not only with restored sight, but with an entirely new way of perceiving the world through an added infrared visual channel.